As you unbox the IIIF150 B2 Pro, you'll quickly notice the smartphone's premium packaging. It arrives in a sturdy box constructed from thick cardboard, elegantly showcasing the model's name, along with a concise summary of its impressive features. Within this robust packaging, you'll find a helpful user manual, a 30W power supply equipped with a Type-C connector, and a durable braided cable for charging via Type-C. Nestled securely within this packaging is the IIIF150 B2 Pro smartphone itself, accompanied by a protective glass for the screen. Notably, there are no pre-installed protective films on the device. To protect against accidental drops and impacts, the B2 Pro is equipped with reinforced corners that absorb shocks and provide additional protection to the device. This engineering design ensures that the smartphone can withstand accidental falls and rough handling. It also boasts MIL-STD 810H certification, a military-grade standard that assesses the device's ability to withstand various environmental stressors, including vibrations, shocks, humidity, and high altitude. This certification guarantees that the smartphone can endure the rigors of daily life. The new B lineup B2 Pro is also in the special octagon silhouette, representing a robust IIIF150 spirit. The phone is designed in mechanical sporty style, offering in two versions, named Polar Night and Sunlight. Rich design details could be found on B2 Pro. The unique nut-styled camera is related to the ubiquitous nuts in mechanical manufacturing to ensure safety and reliability. B2 Pro is an outdoor rugged machine, easily identified by its air intake grid, camouflage pattern, and muscular back at first sight. The 108-megapixel camera captures so much detail, you can pinch in and reveal even more shots within. It expresses rich color data for true-to-life details and hues. B2 Pro is equipped with the A-listers chipset, Helio G99. 6nm architecture, octa-core CPU, HyperEngine 2.0 ARM Mali G57MC2 GPU. Extend 12GB RAM to 24GB RAM by integrating ROM and RAM. Enjoy smooth interaction, fast loading, and big storage space.